Brad Williams, Excel Prime. The question you have is, what if I'm married to Office 365 or Microsoft 365 Online and it blows up? They have a DOS attack and I have no access to my data. Old school. We used to, and we still do, incorporate this particular formula and it creates the same output. We're going to use this IFERROR, but we're going to use row index, row column. Now we'll convert over into this particular output. We're using 3 row. Then after 3 rows, it's going to create the columns. This is the old school method. We're not creating anything new here. The improvement is the WRAPCOLS and how convenient that is. But if you run into a problem, you can use this rows index, row column, and I'm not going to explain it. Want to know how this works? Take a look at my other tutorials, specifically the formula-driven, intermediate, or advanced, where we're going to delve into how this works. The second example, we're going to take this data and we're going to put it into a 5 by whatever. I say 5 by whatever because our parameter says we want 5 rows. Well, we know there's 17 rows here. And we know if we use 5, we're going to get at least 4 columns and a few errors. We took care of all that here. If there's an error, there's an NA, we're going to automatically address that. Read the narrative. It's lengthy. Incorporate the different nested functions internally. See if you can work through this. If this is all foreign to you, this is available on Excel 2021 desktop. So I don't have to worry about this Microsoft 365 stuff. I can internally go in here, look under the hood to see where I've made a mistake, or I can see the output before actually generating the results. That's the beauty of the desktop. Work this out. Have some fun or not. Maybe you're saying, oh, I'm married to this 365. If it goes down, I just tell my boss, look, it's not my fault. Blame Microsoft. Their system's down. Well, you always want a backup. Here's your backup. Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Thanks for watching.